try to get a good video of the rear seats reclining. Hopefully this comes out okay. You can see the bottom cushion and the seat back move. This is video of the passenger seat side reclining seats. You can really see the rear cushion, how it moved out past where the center armrest goes. Now push it back. It's hard to see the seat back leaning back, but it does. Yeah, you can see it there in that photo, that video.